Hi everyone. So I am here with my Row 1 yarn subscription box for February 2024. So this just arrived in the mail last night. So let's take a look at what we have. So if you don't want to see what the yarns are in here, feel free to skip this video. Where am I cutting? Feel free to skip this video and come back and watch another video at another time. Alrighty. Oops. Dropping things here. These ones, oh my goodness, those are some bright yarns. I love it. Look at these. Oh, these are nice. It's by Passion Yarns. I might have to make a pair of socks with some of the really bright ones in here. I'll take a better look at those in just a second. Let's take a look first at what's in the little gift bag, or the little extra. Ooh, vanilla cupcake. Ah. A couple little hearts. A little bulb marker and a stitch marker that says love on it. That's pretty. And I'll just open this off to the side because I don't want to see if there's, I don't want to show anything I shouldn't. So merino sock in 75-25, 463 yards to the 100 grams. There's the information about it. And here's the names of all of the colors that are in this particular set. I'll be eating that later. Alrighty, let's take a look at, get all the yarns out of here. All this loud crinkling. Oh, these are some fantastic yarns. These ones are a little more subtle. This is a nice patriotic one. Oh, is that blue or black? Black, red, and white. I might have to do a pair of socks with either these or these four. I don't know if I want those in a sweater, but they would make fantastic socks. Those would make a fantastic pair of socks. Either with these four or these four. Might alternate solid. Yeah, I'll put one of these up towards the cuff and start this way or this way. Though I do love that color. I think I want that in my sweater. That would make a fantastic pair of socks, don't you think? I love these. There are some fantastic colors in here. They're so good. Those would also make a nice pair of socks. This might go good here. Hang on. Maybe I'll do it that way. I'm thinking these 3 are going into a pair of socks for certain. But exactly what else I'm not sure. I like them. I like them a lot. Alrighty, so that's the Row 1 Mini February 2024 subscription box. Oh, those are so pretty. I'm just in awe of how loud those are. Those are really good. Yeah, these are going to be socks for sure. Alrighty, I'll stop nattering and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.